Hey guys, first of all, please watch this video till the end, which will only take a few moments of your time and is guaranteed to have an impact on your income. SinryAcademy is an e-commerce course focused on selling digital products, and we are proud to say that we made over $1 million in a short amount of time selling these digital products. We have been running 2 successful e-commerce stores and have scaled them to generate profits of $30,000 to $70,000 on average monthly, and we have reached records of over $150,000 in sales in a month on one of our stores. We have also hit one of our milestones by generating over $95,000 in sales in a single day. Now, all these results are legit, and if you don't believe us, you can use our verification videos on all of our stores in our website to verify these results for yourself. Now, the reason for starting this academy and providing this course was because all e-commerce courses available are aimed towards dropshipping and the selling of physical products. However, most of them focus on teaching you to search for a niche or a product, but none of them ever tell you the exact product to sell. And the problem with dropshipping and Amazon FBA is the fact that they are outdated and come with a list of problems, such as high competition. And what we mean by high competition is that you're going up against not only other dropshippers, but big companies, multi-million-dollar companies such as Alibaba and Amazon. The other issue is low profit margin. What do we mean by this? For every time you sell a product, you're going to pay for the product and the shipping as well as ads, because you can't make sales without ads. So ads are a crucial part. But every time you're selling that product, you have to pay for the product as well. Delivery issues. With sites like Alibaba, once you open them, right, you don't really know if that's the product that you're going to get unless and until it gets to the customer or you order it for yourself. So this is a huge issue. The other thing is delivery time. Deliveries can take months to get to your customers, which is a huge issue and will cause customer dissatisfaction. And last but not least is refunds. Refunds with drop shipping are such a hassle because you would have to send the product back to the supplier, and it's such a huge problem. Now, this is the reason we decided to pursue selling digital products, which does not come with any of these issues. Instead, with digital products, you only have a one-time cost to create the product and the ability to resell the same product over and over again. No shipping hassles, and finally, all of this leads to a higher profit margin. This is why in this course, we're going to be showing you exactly what digital product we sold and teach you how to sell it too in order to start your $1 million journey. When joining SinryAcademy, you will be mentored by our founder and our co-founders, SinRY and TJ Tandler, who have made countless achievements using their unique ideas and strategies on e-commerce. Currently, they are running several e-commerce businesses that are generating above $100,000 profit a month and have gotten featured in multiple platforms such as Yahoo Finance, Singapore, and gained more than 1 award from Empire Academy USA. SinRY and TJ Tandler actually started this company after seeing how successful their students had become after mentoring them. This is around when they decided to share both their unique ideas and strategies with young entrepreneurs who are struggling with e-commerce. Once you've joined our academy, you will gain access to video courses which will help you with the key elements of starting a successful e-commerce store, and you will learn the exact product to sell. Now, guys, no other course is giving you the exact product. And our main goal isn't only to teach you how to start a site and run ads, as that's available for free. Our main goal is teaching you to create the right content for successful sales, our unique marketing strategy tips, and providing you with the product idea which is capable of generating you millions. That's right, guys, millions. And in this course, we mean business. This is why by following everything we show you, you will be able to start making a minimum of $5,000 within your second month and scale it over to $50,000 in a few months. And by joining our academy now, you will gain access to our free bonus features, which include learning to sell NFTs, affiliate and IB program, and last but not least, a private discussion group, among other things. So guys, don't miss out and join our academy now.